So today I'm going to try to put down some of the sound deadener if I got time. Insulation. I don't know if it's really sound deadener, but insulation before I put my carpet. And we'll see how that goes. Pretty happy with my paint job. Can't really tell it in this light because I get out of work so late, but maybe tomorrow when it's daylight out I'll be able to show you better how the dash and everything looks. So alright, I'm going to start putting this stuff in. This is the insulation I'm using. It doesn't have any sticky side to it, so I'm going to be using adhesive to put it down. And this is the adhesive, Gorilla Spray Adhesive Heavy Duty. I'm going to try that. It says it's good for fabric, metal, foil, glass, rubber, all kinds of stuff, so it should be pretty good for what I need. Alright. I got the first piece cut. It's going in something like that. I think that'll be just fine. So I can glue that one down. And there you have it. First piece is down. First one I've ever done, so I feel I haven't done that bad on it. Alright. I'll show you when I finish. So today, I'm hoping to get that in there. Once I finish the insulation, then I'll start, probably put the door seals, and then I'll put the carpet. But that's going to look pretty in there. Carpet's from LMC truck. Okay, insulation's in. Carpet's next. Nice and red. I don't have it glued in yet because I have a couple things under the pedals over there that I have to cut around. Emergency brake, I think, is the only thing now. And then under here I have some springs and stuff for the seats, so seat adjustment. Not sure what I want to do with that yet. If I just want to cut it out, or if I want to pull all that stuff up and go on top. Alright, so I took out the seat belts and the spring and the seat adjuster. So all that's out. And I can put the carpet down in here. The only other thing I have is that gas line there. Okay, so I disconnected the gas line. You gotta get the gas out. There we go. So that's good. Now I can lay the carpet down in there. Gas line looks good too. I'm not going to replace that. That's fine. Alright, pressing on. Okay, so I'm just going to cut out right here and here for each one of these where my gas tank mounts are. So that'll be easy enough. And I will be putting the gas tank back in here because I'll be using that. I'm not going to bother putting one under the bed, so not at this time anyway. So I cut this one with a rusty pair of scissors. They're not really rusty, but they don't cut really well. So this one, I'm going to use my knife. To do that, just be sure to put a piece of wood under it. And that should work pretty good. Okay, now I'm just going to have to notch this, and I'm going to have to cut along there, of course. So that's easy enough. Also, make sure you run your wires for your speakers if you're going to put speakers back there. I ran my wire right along the edge. It's going right along here. I ran two of them actually, one for the left and one for the right. So okay, so I got it cut around here. I'm leaving this a little bit long here because I'm just going to curl that up just so I don't have a space under there. So it'd be like that. Also, I'm going to glue most of this down, but I have to have my cab corners repaired, so I'm going to leave it back here so that it can be flipped back out of the way when the cab corners get fixed. So just in case I don't burn my carpet. Got one door seal in. Carpet's in. Feeling pretty good. Been a good productive weekend. Alright. Till next time. Take it easy.